Good morning. I know you're probably thinking, what are you doing in the back seat of your car? I do not have the will or the strength to carry this huge box up my apartment. So we're gonna open it in the back of my car. Oh my god. What? That's so nice. Wow. Got the color, I believe it's called Sage. It's so pretty. I'm stuck. This is so exciting. A Dutch oven, a fry pan, a saucepan. My hands are freezing. If you're interested, I'll link them down below. This is a great gift. I've heard things from other friends and how much they like it. So if you have a friend who really loves cooking, I recommend Caraway. I'm gonna go to the recycling bin now before someone starts staring at me forever in my car. Thank you, Caraway, for sending me these. This was such a good gift to come back to. Oh. Long time no draw. 짜잔!
근데 나는 지금 죽자는 마인드로 했어. 울었잖아. 그거를 보고 슬기도 되게 많이 나한테 해줬잖아.
칭찬. 정우 씨랑 오늘 진짜
내 모습도 내가 원래 그런 거랑 어떻게 걱정하는 게 있어. 맞아요. 나도 모르는 나를
팀장님하고 탕으로 들어가고 있어요. I've been really obsessed with sumo oranges. I bought 3 bags the other day because I went 2 weeks ago and they were all out, and I was like, there's no way I'm letting it run out on me. So I bought 3 bags and I'm down to 1 bag at the moment, and I will replenish on Wednesday.
와, 최용 나오네. 다들 자면 안 돼? 이제 잘했다.
Good morning. I have my last ER rotation tomorrow. Really exciting, but also kind of sad because it's the best preceptor that I've had yet. Oh, I can't multitask. looks like a mess. Anyways, my print arrived. A lot of people wonder, and by a lot of people I mean probably 3 or 4 people wonder how I keep up with Patreon. I guess it wouldn't be a problem if I was able to consistently come up with designs to make art, but my brain does not work like that. And this is 1, to to save on shipping costs, and 2, to save me some time in between rotations and coming up with ideas on the last minute. I will come up with at least 2 to 3 designs for the next few months so that I don't have to come up with a new design every single month. It's not too bad. So this is the February print. Ta-da. Oh, this one's really good. It might be censored, but it's the April print. And we have the March print. Ta-da! Alright. Oh, I'm sweating. And then for the February stickers, this is one of them. And you know, I had a vision with this pear, but it kind of looks like a Among Us pear now. So I think I'm going to repaint up that green. Other than that, I'm going to paint these clay trays today. I don't know how people make perfect circles. This was the only one that I've completed the other day. It's okay. All right, I'm going to proceed with my day. Exam time.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. All in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. Hello, Ramona. I mistook you for a dream. The engine glows, and I guess you always seem to know. Hello, Ramona. I push back the serious feeling. The end's unknown. To get back the life I used to know. show